In this video, we will discuss how to invest in real estate with no money. Investing in real estate can be a lucrative way to build wealth, but many people are intimidated by the high costs involved. However, there are several ways to invest in real estate without having a lot of money up front. We will explore these methods in detail and provide you with actionable steps to get started. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel in order to not miss future videos. Also see the description box below for ideas on how to make money online. Let's turn to our video on how to invest in real estate with no money. Real estate investing can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and tools, it can be a lucrative way to build wealth. In this video, we will show you several ways to invest in real estate without having a lot of money up front. We will also provide you with actionable steps to get started. Investing in real estate with no money down may seem impossible, but it is actually achievable with the right strategy. One of the most common ways to invest in real estate with no money is through creative financing. Creative financing involves finding alternative ways to finance your real estate investment, such as seller financing, lease options, or partnerships. Another way to invest in real estate with no money down is by utilizing the house hacking strategy. House hacking involves purchasing a property and renting out a portion of it to generate income. This can help you cover your mortgage payments and other expenses while you build equity in the property. Rental properties are another popular way to invest in real estate with no money down. You can finance the property through a loan and use the rental income to pay off the loan. Over time, the property will appreciate in value, and you can sell it for a profit. House flipping is also a popular real estate investment strategy that can be done with no money down. To flip a house, you purchase a distressed property, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. You can finance the purchase and renovations using hard money loans, which are short-term loans designed for real estate investors. And there you have it, our ultimate guide on how to invest in real estate with no money. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, investing in real estate can be a lucrative way to build wealth, but it takes knowledge, patience, and hard work. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.